Hello students, in this problem we are given two functions f of x and g of x which are defined piecewise. For different values of x they are defined in different ways, and we have to answer about f of x minus g of x function. Which of the following statements is correct about these? So here is our f of x and this is g of x, and further let's write it in a simpler way. F of x is equal to x if x is a rational number. Let's denote that set by q, and that is equal to 0 if x is not a rational number, and g of x is simply 0 if x is a rational number and equal to x if x is not a rational number. The function, let's call it h of x, equal to f of x minus g of x, that can be obtained very easily in this case. For all the rational numbers, f of x is defined as x and g of x is defined equal to 0 for all the rational x. So f of x minus g of x, that will be equal to x minus 0 if x is a rational number, and if x is a irrational number then f of x is 0 and g of x is equal to x. So f minus g, that will be equal to minus x if x is not a rational number. So this is our h of x function. Now let's check the options one by one. This is neither one-to-one nor onto. One-to-one and onto one, many-to-one, into. Just try to visualize what this function is doing. For any rational values of x, it is giving us the same rational value. That is, x is rational, then h of x is rational, that same value. That means we can plug in all the rational numbers in it and we can get output as a rational number. And there are no two rational numbers for which the function will give us the same value. And if we plug in any irrational value of x in this function h of x, then we will get negative of that irrational number. And if we plug negative of that irrational number, we will get back the positive value. That is, if we plug in minus root 2, we get root 2, and if we plug in root 2, we get minus root 2. That means every irrational number will also be obtained from this function. And there are no two irrational numbers for which the function can give you the same value. That means function is one-to-one as well as onto, as the domain of definition of this function is the complete set of real numbers and range is coming out to be equal to R. So this is a one-to-one and onto function both. Let's confirm it. That must be the correct choice. That is okay. Second option is the correct one. Thank you.